Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your daily life. Today, we're going to take a look at the SparkPod showerhead, a high-pressure rain showerhead that promises a luxurious experience without the hefty price tag. If you're someone who values a powerful shower with water-saving features, then this showerhead is for you. The SparkPod showerhead stands out with its high-pressure rain feature, delivering a steady and intense water flow that envelops your whole body. Imagine the feeling of a rainstorm in your own bathroom, with every drop refreshing you and giving you that spa-like sensation. If you're tired of weak, unsatisfying showers, this showerhead will transform your daily routine. One of the best things about the SparkPod is the easy installation process. You don't need to be a plumber to get it set up. With just a few simple steps, you can have your new showerhead installed in less than 5 minutes. It's designed to fit any standard 1/2-inch shower arm, and everything you need comes in the box, including extra plumber's tape and a water filter. It's a quick upgrade that can completely change your shower experience. The design is another feature that makes this product special. Made from premium ABS plastic, it's rust-proof, ensuring durability and longevity even with regular use. The showerhead comes with 90 easy-to-clean rubber jets that prevent the buildup of hard water deposits, like limescale, which can impact your water flow. This means you'll always get that powerful, refreshing stream of water without worrying about maintenance. One of the standout aspects of the SparkPod showerhead is its energy-saving design. Despite its high-pressure water flow, it has a maximum outflow of just 1.8 gallons per minute, helping you save on water and energy costs. You can enjoy longer, hotter showers without the guilt of high water bills. In terms of aesthetics, the SparkPod has a sleek, polished chrome finish that gives it a modern, luxury look that will complement any bathroom decor. It's not just a showerhead, it's a design statement. At Product Critique, we believe that your shower experience should be an enjoyable one, and the SparkPod showerhead is all about enhancing that experience. Whether you're looking for a high-pressure, water-saving solution or just want to upgrade to something that feels like a luxury, this showerhead delivers. Thanks for tuning in to another review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the best products out there.